across to one graphics that we are getting, and you can also speak over that. We're getting the breaking news that's now coming in, and India has now taken out the Pakistan's air defense system in 7 locations. This is the big breaking news. If I can also get Shavan to join us on the story. It's in Sialkot, in Shekhupura, in Lahore, in Bahawalpur, in Gujranwala, in Narowal and Chakwal. In fact, Niranjan, Shavan was just giving us details of Sialkot and Lahore, but this is breaking news that's coming in. The air defense system in 7 locations of Pakistan, Niranjan, has been now taken out by India.
Well, there are so many reports that are coming in, Rhythm. I can confirm to you that as of this minute, at least 7 cities, and that number could go up, because there are some reports that say that at least 9 cities were targeted by India in our measured response to go after the source of where these missiles and drones were sent. But as of now, Bahawalpur on that map that you see on your screen, Chakwal, Gujranwala, Narowal, Sialkot, Shekhupura, you also saw Lahore there, and Bahawalpur. Bahawalpur was also hit, by the way. Bahawalpur was a target for India in Operation Sindoor as well. That is Masood Azhar's headquarters, Jaish-e-Mohammed's headquarters, and Lahore has specifically been targeted. So this is a very, very big update. That number and this map could change in the next few hours. That's an update we are getting in, because more visuals reportedly from other cities of Pakistan as well. We will wait for those updates to come in. Rhythm.
Absolutely, and I'm just going to go across, viewers. I'm going to stay with these graphics, and then I'm going to go across to more graphics, because I'm going to come in a minute with very big breaking news, and I'm going to show our viewers how Pakistani politicians are crying in fear. They are jittery, they are panicky, they are nervous, they are giving speeches, but they are extremely scared of what lies ahead. That's the big breaking news that we're going to get you in just a minute. But I want to continue to stay with Niranjan right now. Niranjan, as we continue to stay with this news, the news that's also going to come in from Pakistan, and we're getting to know details. Lahore, Rawalpindi, Ghotki, Karachi, all have been struck. Their defense system in these places has also been shut down. This is Operation Sindoor 2. As Pakistan attempted to target Indian cities, India strikes again. Drone strikes took place in Rawalpindi, where the cricket stadium apparently was there. That's something we're going to be confirming. There's fear and tears in Pakistan's National Assembly.